Welcome to Portugal, a land where golden beaches meet historic castles, and vibrant cities blend seamlessly with lush vineyards. Did you know that Portugal is one of the oldest countries in Europe, with a history that spans over 800 years? Get ready to explore 50 of the most mesmerizing places in this enchanting country. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this incredible journey around the world. Our journey begins in Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital. Known as the City of Seven Hills, it's a place where history meets modern charm. Explore the cobblestone streets of Alfama, take a ride on the iconic Tram 28, and marvel at the grandeur of the Jerónimos Monastery. Here's a fun fact. Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in Western Europe, predating Rome by centuries. Sintra feels like stepping into a fairy tale. With its colorful Pena Palace perched atop a hill and the mysterious gardens of Quinta da Regaleira, it's a dream destination. Did you know that Lord Byron called Sintra a glorious Eden? It's easy to see why. Every corner is filled with magic. The Algarve, Portugal's southern gem, is a paradise of golden beaches and hidden caves. From the iconic Benagil Sea Cave to the bustling town of Lagos, the Algarve offers endless adventures. Here's a question. Can you resist diving into these crystal-clear waters? Porto, the second largest city, is known for its stunning bridges and world-famous port wine. Stroll along the Ribeira district and take in the vibrant colors of this riverside gem. Did you know the Dom Luís XIV Bridge was designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel, the architect of the Eiffel Tower? The Douro Valley is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the oldest wine regions in the world. With terraced vineyards and scenic river cruises, it's a feast for the senses. Fun fact, the Douro Valley is the birthplace of port wine, a drink synonymous with Portugal. Coimbra, home to one of Europe's oldest universities, is a city steeped in knowledge and history. Don't miss the Joannina Library, a Baroque masterpiece with over 300,000 books. Here's a fun quiz. Can you guess how old the University of Coimbra is? Over 700 years. Known as the floating garden of the Atlantic, Madeira is an island paradise. With year-round blooms and breathtaking cliffs, it's a haven for nature lovers. Did you know Madeira is also the birthplace of football legend Cristiano Ronaldo? Aveiro, with its colorful molicero boats gliding through canals, is often called the Venice of Portugal. Stroll through the Art Nouveau streets and savor the local delicacy, ovos moles. Here's a tip. Don't leave without a boat ride. It's the best way to see the city. Braga, one of Portugal's oldest cities, is a spiritual and cultural hub. Climb the iconic staircase of Bom Jesus do Monte and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Did you know Braga's history dates back to Roman times, when it was called Bracara Augusta? Once a fishing village, Cascais is now a glamorous coastal retreat. With its sandy beaches and vibrant marina, it's perfect for a day by the sea. Fun fact, Cascais was a royal summer getaway in the 19th century, and its charm hasn't faded since. Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living museum of Portuguese history. Wander through its medieval streets and marvel at the Roman temple, also known as the Temple of Diana. Did you know Évora's cathedral is one of the oldest in Portugal, dating back to the 12th century? Every stone here tells a story of the past. Nazaré is a magnet for surfers and thrill-seekers from around the globe. Its Praia do Norte is famous for some of the largest waves ever surfed, towering over 20 meters high. Here's a challenge. Would you dare to ride these monstrous waves? Or would you rather watch from the safety of the cliffs? Fátima is one of the most important pilgrimage sites in the world, attracting millions of visitors every year. It's believed that the Virgin Mary appeared here to 3 shepherd children in 1917. Whether you come for faith or curiosity, Fátima's peaceful aura is truly captivating. Setúbal is a hidden gem for nature lovers. From the dramatic cliffs of Arabada Natural Park to the playful dolphins in the Sado estuary, it's a paradise waiting to be discovered. Did you know the local cuisine here, especially fresh seafood, is considered some of the best in Portugal? Viana do Castelo combines natural beauty with cultural richness. The Santa Lucia Sanctuary offers breathtaking views of the city and its coastline. Fun fact, Viana is famous for its traditional gold filigree jewelry, a craft that dates back centuries. Portugal is a country that truly has it all. Stunning landscapes, rich history, vibrant culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. Which of these incredible destinations will you visit first? And don't forget to subscribe and share this journey with fellow adventurers. Até breve. See you soon.